I did my schooling in my mother tongue, which is Telugu. At that time, I had a desire to learn this language, but somehow I couldn't do that. Later on, I got to know it's a very important. Nowadays, it plays a crucial role in the society. Moreover, my boss is a Punjabi. He knows Telugu very well.
You are speaking English quite well. So you've been learning since the pandemic, right?
Yes, ma'am. Most of the time, I prefer to speak in this language with my kids, ma'am.
When we go to South India, we can't communicate in Tamil or Telugu. We have to speak English and they don't understand Hindi. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. It's been a long time. I have been trying for this session for a long time.
Yes, we have been trying to connect.
Thank you for giving this opportunity, ma'am.
We've been trying to connect for last 5-6 months, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so finally we got connected.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks for that, ma'am.
Yeah. So yeah, your name is Lalitha.
Yes, ma'am. I am Lalitha.
Okay, so where are you speaking from?
I am from Vijayawada, ma'am, which is located in Andhra Pradesh, AP.
Okay, so your mother tongue is Telugu, right?
Yes, ma'am. Telugu, ma'am.
Okay, so please introduce yourself because I'm, we are connecting for the very first time. So please introduce yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. This is Lalitha from Vijayawada, which is located in Andhra. I have completed my master's in commerce and I am married. There are 6 members in my family, my mother-in-law and father-in-law, me and my husband, daughter and son. My daughter is studying 6th class, son is studying 4th class. This is all about me. Thank you for giving this.
Okay. So that's lovely to know.
And also I am a working woman. I work as a manager in furniture store, ma'am.
Okay, you work as a manager in a furniture store. Okay.
Yes,
so what's your job profile? I mean, what is your job description?
That means I need to take care of the store, ma'am.
Okay. So you need to speak with people who come in the store, right?
Yes, ma'am. I need to purchase the material and dispatch the goods and all those things. Everything I need to take care of, ma'am. Why? Because my boss has 2 stores. One I look after and another one he looks after.
Okay. So how far is the store from your house?
It's nearly 8 to 9 kilometers, ma'am.
So you go every day, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how did you think of improving your English?
What, ma'am? What did you ask me?
How did you think of practicing English?
Actually, it's my desire, ma'am. I did my schooling in my mother tongue, which is Telugu. At that time, I had a desire to learn this language, but somehow I couldn't do that. Later on, I got to know it's a very important. Nowadays, it plays a crucial role in the society. So, at any cost, I have to learn this language. I got that idea. When I got this idea is, ma'am, we got lockdown, ma'am, in a pandemic situation. At that time, I have decided. Why? Because at that time, I got the free time for 2 to 3 months. Then I have started learning. Then onwards, I have been learning this, ma'am.
Okay. So in Andhra Pradesh, most of the people speak Telugu, no?
Yes, ma'am. Most of the people speak Telugu, ma'am.
Okay.
There is no need to learn any other language, but some people speak Hindi also. Why? Because we have many people, Hindi people, like they come here from other states, like doing some works. UP people, Bihar people. I also need to talk with them in Hindi sometimes.
Okay.
They don't know our language.
Oh, you know Hindi as well?
Yes, ma'am.
So you learned Hindi just by listening to other people, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
But moreover, my boss is a Punjabi. He knows Telugu very well. But at the time, I had a desire. When I joined, I had a desire to learn Hindi also. Then I have learned
English. Okay. After that, you are trying to learn English now. But you speak quite good, actually.
Yes, ma'am.
You are speaking English quite well. So you've been learning since the pandemic, right?
Yes, ma'am. Most of the time, I prefer to speak in this language with my kids, ma'am.
Okay. So
they are going to school, ma'am.
Is English taught in the schools?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
They are studying in English medium schools, ma'am.
Okay. So in your childhood, they didn't teach English as a subject.
No, ma'am. It was a subject only as a subject, but all over the medium is Telugu, ma'am. I
Hmm.
have studied in Telugu medium school.
Okay.
That's why at the time I wasn't able to learn this language.
Okay. So English was there as a subject, but there was no focus on
Yes,
spoken
ma'am.
English.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And English is required.
Nowadays, English medium schools also providing this language, but they don't talk in this language, ma'am. Simply they teach in that language. Sir. Simply they
Correct.
teach as a subject, sir. But they
Yeah.
don't speak with kids, that means students in English. Sir. Simply
Correct.
they are keeping their boards like English medium schools, sir. Isn't it, ma'am?
Right. Right. I have
Nowadays,
seen that.
yeah.
I have also seen that in English medium schools, they teach the other subjects in English, but they don't focus on spoken English.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is there English environment in your children's school? Do teachers speak in English there?
Yes, ma'am, but not completely. Most of the time, they also speak in mother tongue, ma'am. This language only, Telugu language.
Hmm.
I always say them, don't talk in this language. You know Telugu very well, but why do you want to learn again? If you improve your language in this language, it will be useful in your future. I
Correct.
always tell them like this.
Right, because Telugu they already know well. English is the international language. So whenever they go out,
Yes,
they
ma'am.
want to present their ideas
Mm.
in any city. Because if they even
Yes.
come to Delhi, they will speak
Mm.
Telugu. And but we can't understand Telugu, no? So even
Yes, ma'am.
if they travel in India only, then also they need English because many people don't understand Telugu.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And when we go to South India, like I am from North India, I was born and raised in
Yes,
Delhi.
I'm
But when we go to South India,
okay.
we can't communicate in Tamil or Telugu. We have to speak English and they don't understand Hindi. So English is
Yes,
required. Yes, English is really
but
important.
in Andhra, most of the people know Hindi also, ma'am. Most of the people, not all the people. Most of the people know Hindi, ma'am.
Yes, many people
Especially
do.
Vijayawada people.
Uh,
Especially Vijayawada
Vijayawada,
people know Hindi very, very well.
maybe, but when we go to Assam or we had gone to Darjeeling
Okay.
and all those areas, many people could not speak Hindi. We have to converse in English. And once we had gone to Europe, so we didn't know how to speak in French or German. So there, if we had not known English, we wouldn't have been able to speak with anybody.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, tell me, where did you go on your last trip, on your last vacation?
On my last vacation, actually, we don't go any vacations, ma'am. Why? Because I told you no, I am working somewhere. I am stuck in there. That means I don't get leaves. Because of that, I can't go anywhere. But recently we have gone somewhere. Wait a second, ma'am. I'll tell you. Last December we have been to Chennai, ma'am, for my
Okay,
daughter's exam. She wrote an exam of RMS. Then we went there, ma'am.
okay, Chennai.
We have visited Marina Beach and we have gone to Nandambakam somewhere. I don't remember the exact name of that.
Okay,
Recently we have visited that place only, ma'am.
okay. Was it your first time seeing the beach?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you are a beach person or a hill person?
What, ma'am?
I mean, do you love beaches or you love hills better?
Hills, ma'am, not beaches.
Okay, so how was your experience in Chennai?
It was very nice, ma'am. We enjoyed a lot for 2 days. We stayed there for 2 days. That time we were enjoyed a lot. With my kids, we went there. No, we enjoyed a lot. We
Okay,
have visited Marina Beach and we have been somewhere, ma'am. I forgot actually.
okay,
Those
okay.
2 days we have enjoyed. That time only I have what to say. I have got into the metro train, ma'am. That was my first train, which I
Okay,
haven't traveled until then. That was
oh,
also very nice experience, sir.
okay. You had
Yes,
never
ma'am.
traveled by train until then.
Yes.
So you
Mm.
traveled by
No,
metro
no,
and
ma'am. I
metro.
have traveled by train, but metro train, metro.
Okay, okay. So
That
that
was
was
my
your
first
first time
metro.
in metro. metro train of Chennai.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How did you
Yes,
like
yes, ma'am.
metro?
What, ma'am?
How did you like
It was very nice experience. It was a very nice experience, ma'am. I hadn't been traveled. I hadn't traveled until then.
Okay.
It was very nice experience. I felt very happy at that time.
Okay. Okay. Tell me, your kids are small. I mean, they are very young. One is in class 6 and the other one is in class 4. Do they fight a lot?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm saying, do they
Yes,
fight
yes,
with
ma'am.
each other?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's quite common to everyone, ma'am. Why?
Okay.
Because if you have the two kids, they always try to fight with each other. They don't listen one another. Always they do fight with one another. I have to. That means I have been trying them to separate. So for small issues, they are trying to fight with each other, ma'am. One come
Okay.
to me and mom, he is doing like that. He is doing like this. My daughter is saying like that. Son is same thing happening to saying to me. Same.
Mm. So
It's quite common to everyone, ma'am.
correct, correct.
It's a
Does
universal
your
problem.
does your daughter ever say that you know you love your son more, and your son says to you that
Oh,
you love your daughter more?
always they yes, always they say like that, ma'am. Sometimes morning today morning also he told me you love her only, you don't love me. Always you are saying to me always you are doing something to her only. He's saying like that, ma'am. Most of the time he says, but sometimes she also says like that. But most of the time my son says, you don't love me, you only love her only. He says like that.
Okay. So, okay, what time do you come back home every day?
It's actually 9:30, ma'am. My showroom timings are 10:30 to 9 o'clock, ma'am. To reach home, it would be 9:30, quarter to 10, like that, ma'am.
Oh, you reach home that late? Oh my God.
Yes, ma'am. That's why we weren't connected with each other because of this reason, ma'am.
So your children stay home alone till 9:30, or your husband gets
No,
home on
no,
time?
no, ma'am. I already have told you, no, my in-laws are staying with us.
Okay, okay,
They take care of
okay,
them. That is the reason I can stay until then, ma'am. Otherwise, it
okay.
won't possible, no.
Otherwise, it won't be good for children, to be, left alone in the house
Uh,
every single day.
yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes. And
Yes, ma'am.
you only get off on Sundays, not Saturdays?
No, ma'am. Only Sundays I have a half, ma'am.
Hmm. And what does your husband do?
My husband is a contractor, ma'am, and also he does a real estate business.
Okay, okay. So he also stays busy.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So he is also free on Sundays.
But sometimes, ma'am, not every Sunday. Sometimes he free on Sundays. Otherwise, if the customers come on Sundays, he has to go there.
Hmm. Okay. So you only have Sunday. You only have one weekly off. How
Yes,
do
ma'am.
you enjoy your Sunday?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in fact, I don't, I can't enjoy on that, ma'am. Why? Because I keep on postponing the things to do on Sunday. Sunday, I am very busy to doing, completing those all works, ma'am.
Okay.
Only at evenings only I get the time to enjoy myself. Otherwise, I don't get time, ma'am. Until 5 o'clock, I should work, ma'am. But
Okay.
sometime I prefer to take a nap afternoon on Sunday. 2 to 2:30 like that, ma'am.
Okay.
Otherwise, I can't feel happy, ma'am. So I don't get satisfaction if I don't get a nap.
Oh, okay. So you have so much backlog to clear on Sunday.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you only get free in the evening.
Yes, ma'am. At that time, actually, my mother's home is also near my home, ma'am.
Mhm.
Sometimes I prefer to go there with
Okay.
spend with my mother.
Okay. And sometimes you all go out on Sunday evenings.
Sometimes, ma'am. Not all the time. That not all Sundays. Sometimes. If my husband is free, then we prefer to go outside. That means a movie or something else.
Mhm. And do your children say that, Mom, you don't have time for us, you are so busy? Do they ever say that?
Actually, ma'am, here there are many kids at my apartment, ma'am. They are very busy with them. They don't even ask me, Mom, shall we go outside? If
Okay.
I say also, no, Mom, no, Mom, they says like that. They say like that, Ma'am. No, we have to play for some time. Otherwise, we can go next week. Like the way they say. Why? Because in my
Okay.
apartment there are more than 15 to 20 members, ma'am.
Oh
They
my God.
enjoy a lot with them.
Wow, that's great. So they stay so busy with other children, they don't feel your absence. That's great. So they
Yes,
stay
ma'am. Yes,
occupied with
ma'am.
them and they study it themselves,
Yes, ma'am.
or you have to come and push them.
No, ma'am. I make them study at mornings, ma'am. 6 o'clock, 6 to 7:30, like that, ma'am.
Okay, before you leave for your work, you make
But
them
they
study.
they go to tuition also, ma'am. At evenings, they go to tuition also.
Okay, okay,
So, like the way they are studying.
okay, okay. So there is no problem with studies. They are both doing well in school.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Mostly they are first five places, ma'am. Most
Hmm.
of the time, first or second place they would be. Otherwise, first five ranks.
That's
Both,
great.
ma'am.
That's
Both,
great.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, sometimes I feel stuck. That means when anyone asks me describe something, at that time I am stuck in somewhere, ma'am. I have the subject, but I am not able to convey those things in this language. How to overcome that problem, ma'am?
That will happen with practice. If I learn a new language today and I practice for 2 3 years, then people who have been speaking this language for 20 years, definitely they will be able to express themselves more clearly. So you are so comfortable with Telugu, I am so comfortable with Hindi. So it will take some time for you to become comfortable with English. And you are actually, you speak quite well, but keep practicing, and there will be a time when you will be able to express all your feelings. That time will come.
Okay.
Yeah. You have to just keep.
Where do I have to improve myself, ma'am, in this language? Where I am lagging behind? Can you explain, ma'am? You have spoken with me, no, until now.
See, you listen to more English conversations, English content, web series, and everything, and try to do speaking practice for 10 15 minutes every single day.
Was the ASPNC app, ma'am. That
Okay.
was at the time, it was very nice. My conversation thing is very nice. Nowadays, I am quite busy with my work. That because of that reason, I am not able to using that.
Okay. So when you have some time, then start using the app again. Slowly and gradually, your tongue will be habitual and it will feel like your mother tongue after a while. So it will take some more time, but you are doing very good. You are doing quite well. And yeah, all the best. It was such a lovely session. I really enjoyed talking to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Same here, ma'am. Actually, I am very eagerly waiting for your session, ma'am. I have been waiting for this session. Thank you. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Yeah, you're welcome. I also really loved talking to you. Okay, then, all the
Thank
best.
you, ma'am.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Bye, ma'am.